Let's walk through how to add sequential numbers in Design & Print Online. On the left side of the Customize screen, click the Sequential Numbers option. At the top, we will see the type of numbers we can add to our design. We can choose between numbers or letters. Next, we can enter in the range of sequential numbers for our tickets. First, we will add in our start value and then enter an end value. Now we'll add the increment. Since we want these tickets to go up by one value, we will keep the increment as 1. Next are the leading zeros. The leading zeros denote how many numbers we want per item. For example, we want 2 zeros before the 1, so we'll enter 3 for leading zeros. If any text needs to appear before or after the sequential numbers, we can use the prefix and suffix fields to enter additional information. Here, we'll be adding some text before each of our sequential numbers by typing it into our prefix section and leaving the suffix section blank. Now that all of our data is entered, let's click Add Sequential Numbers to add them to our project. We can see that it added the number in the middle of the ticket. To move it, we can hover our mouse over the outline of the text box and then click and drag it to move. We can also rotate the number using the circle icon at the top of the text box. To add the number to the stub portion of the ticket, we can use our copy and paste options at the top of the screen. We will select the number and click Copy, and then select Paste. Now, we can move the other number over to the stub and arrange it how we want. If we want to double-check that our sequential numbers were added correctly, we can select the Preview and Print button in the bottom right and select 2D at the top to see a full sheet view of our project. Visit avery.com/help for more information and to contact our care team. Thank you for using genuine Avery products.